Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Brother MFC-J1010DW printer step by step, from unboxing to your first successful print. No technical knowledge needed, so let's get started. First, carefully unbox your printer and take out all the items from the box. Remove all orange tapes, protective films, and packing materials from the printer. Make sure you have the printer, starter ink cartridges, power cable, quick setup guide. Important tip, do not throw away the orange protective part. You'll need it if you ever move the printer. Now, open the paper tray at the front of the printer. Adjust the paper guides, then fan the paper and place it neatly inside the tray. Close the tray properly, pull out the paper support, and unfold the paper flap so printed pages don't fall. Next, connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a wall socket. Turn on the printer using the power button. You can also adjust the control panel angle for better visibility. Open the ink cartridge cover. Remove the orange protective part inside the printer. Follow the instructions on the LCD screen to install each ink cartridge into the correct color slot. Close the ink cover once finished. The printer will now prepare the ink system. This may take a few minutes and is completely normal. Using the printer screen, set the correct date and time. This helps with print logs and system updates. Now, the printer will print a print quality check sheet. Check the 4 color blocks on the page. If the colors look broken or faded, follow the on-screen steps to clean the printhead. If everything looks good, press OK to continue. Next, the printer will print an alignment sheet. Place this sheet face down on the scanner glass, making sure the black circle is in the top left corner. Close the lid and follow the instructions on the screen to complete alignment. This step improves print accuracy and is highly recommended. If your printer language is incorrect, you can change it from the settings menu. Select your preferred language and confirm. Now, let's connect the printer to Wi-Fi. On the printer panel, press Settings, select Find Wi-Fi Network, choose Yes to enable WLAN. Select your Wi-Fi name, enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, the screen will show Connected. If Wi-Fi fails, restart your router and printer, then try again. Go to setup.brother.com on your computer or phone. Download and install the Brother software, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This allows you to print and scan wirelessly. That's it. Your Brother MFC-J1010DW printer is now fully set up and ready to use. You can now print, scan, and copy with ease. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more printer and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.